found out what that mysterious banging was, it was Dave.
Yeah, come on.
We're gonna go sit on a tractor now. Right, Dean? Watch your step, it's all muddy. Going to sit on a tractor. Going to sit on a tractor. Might not want to let him see the other Jeep that's broken too. The other Jeep. What tractor can we set you on, Dean? What tractor do you want to sit on? There's only one, so you can't really choose.
Why'd you ask him?
I'm not driving tractors, are you kidding me? I'm filming. I'm filming a child's experience at the farm.
Say hi.
Can you say hi? This is Dave. This is Dean.
Dean. Hi, Dean.
I was like, we were like standing out there, we're like,
How will this work out?
no, that one doesn't even have anything in it.
Here, bud, come over here. We're gonna sit in a tractor.
The child is bound and determined to drive something
Dean,
today.
come on, over here.
Come on, Dean. We're gonna go drive a tractor. Well, not actually drive one because you're too young. No.
We're gonna drive a tractor, bud.
Driving a tractor. No. Follow Mom. Yeah, it's fine. White's not gonna go anywhere. Might want to take the keys out. Yeah. Actually, I'll probably be able to grab the keys. This could be unsafe for some people, but if there's no keys, I don't think there's really a problem. The keys, Sam? I can't do it. They're like right there. Yeah. Dean is gonna.
Sitting in a tractor.
Oh, look at that. Okay, we're gonna take pictures now.